people on YouTube. Welcome back to Erica Goth YouTube channel. Okay? People, make sure to subscribe Erica Goth channel every single day. Please get it in your mind, okay? Make sure to press another question, the bell button. You don't miss what video post every day, okay? Okay. Press like. You like this video, and press like you like this video, and don't you forget to leave a nice comment, and please let me know by comments below what you think of this video. Okay, people, make sure just do it, and please get it in your mind. Okay. Guess what, people? People, I already know what is today's day. Okay? I want to tell you about. I want to tell you what is today's date. Okay? It's starting from now. Okay. We in for 5 of November 2022, and that means we're on a last season fall of autumn. Okay, a fall of autumn is the last third season, and that means people on England and United Kingdom in the whole world celebrate Bonfire night, Guy Fawkes night, and fireworks night. We do it every single day. Yeah, because people says in the video about November, a 5th of November, gunpowder and t-shirts and procs. And that is pulling a part of the Guy Fawkes song. I redo it every year. Okay? Okay. And there was a man called Guy Fawkes. One day, Guy Fawkes with his guys put blew up houses in an apartment, and people celebrate fireworks because of Guy Fawkes. Okay, because guess what, people? Guess what? Because I redo it every year in this month, and next month, guess what we're going to do next month? And next month is going to be the 1st of December, 2022 at Christmas month. And next season is next month is going to be a first season of winter. Okay? Okay. And guess what? I want to tell you something. Okay? Are we on a day 5? Yeah. Are we in and month of November? The year was 2022, and that is right. Okay? Okay. Okay. Woo. Hello, Rabbit. Oh, he's so adorable. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, look. You little rabbit. Okay. Okay, people. Okay. And people, I want to tell you what the title in the video is going to be called. Okay, right now I'm going to about to tell you a title. Okay, in the title in the video is going to be a code. Let me think. I gotta tell you what now. Okay, a title in the video going to be called a 5 of November 2022. Yeah, and happy Bonfire Night, Rabbit will be golden on Bonfire Night. That makes sense. Oh God. Hello, Obi. Obi, I want to tell you something, Obi. Obi, I want to tell you something. Starting from now, okay? I've been ready to say. Okay, Obi, today is Bonfire Night. It's Skyfox Night. Yay! Hello, Obi. Guess what is today, Obi? Obi, today is Bonfire Night, Skyfox Night, and Fireworks Night. Bonfire, that is today, November, 5th November. Come by the t-shirts and props. Happy Bonfire Night, Obi Golden the Rabbit. Happy Bonfire Night, Rabbit, Obi Golden. Happy Bonfire Night, Rabbit, Obi Golden on Bonfire Night. Happy Bonfire Night, Rabbit, Obi Golden on Bonfire Night, and the Skyfox Night and Fireworks Night. I'll re-celebrate every year because of Skyfox. Okay? Happy Bonfire Night, Obi, the Bunny Rabbit. Okay? Happy Bonfire Night, Obi. One rabbit, one. Who didn't found on the gone. Rabbit, bunny, everywhere we go. One rabbit, one. Bunny rabbits everywhere. Bunny rabbits everywhere. You little bunny rabbit. Okay. Happy Bonfire Night, Obi Golden. Happy Bonfire Night, Rabbit, Obi Golden on Bonfire Night. Today is Fireworks Night. Yay! Yay! Shoo, Obi. Hola, Obi. Bonjour, Obi. Namaste, Obi. Konnichiwa, Obi. Spanish. Hola, Obi. French. Bonjour, Obi. Hindi. Namaste, Obi. Japanese. Konnichiwa, Obi. English. Hello, Obi. Happy Bonfire Night, Obi. Happy Fireworks Night. Happy bonfire night. Happy bonfire night, Obby. Happy bonfire night, Bunny, Rabbit, Obby, Golden on bonfire night. Happy Guy Fawkes night, the Bunny, Rabbit, Obby, Golden on bonfire night. Happy fireworks night, Bunny, Obby, Bunny, Rabbit, Obby, Golden, bonfire and Guy Fawkes and fireworks night. We celebrate every single year, okay? Pop grocery show, Obby. Rabbit. Bunny, Rabbit. Bunny, one rabbit, Bunny, rabbit. Be your ass! The bunny rabbit will be gotten. Boo! Wow! Sneaky rabbit. Wow! You not scared? You not a scaredy cat, Obby? Ha ha ha. Bunny, I love it. Yeah. Oh, you love it, Obby. Obby. Yeah. Happy Bonfire night, Obby Goggin! Happy Bonfire night! Bunny rabbit, Obby Goggin! Oh, Bonfire night! You can go for night! You can firework night today! Keepers, creepers, Obby. The rabbit. bonfire night, Obi. Happy, 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 happy. Happy bonfire, Guy Fawkes and fireworks night. Obi. Oh God, start again. Happy, happy, happy bonfire, Guy Fawkes, fireworks night. Bunny, rabbit, Obi, Gordon, on, bonfire, Guy Fawkes, fireworks night to you, Obi. How dare you! I'll put you back where you came from, Obi. Don't move things. Otherwise I'll put you back where you came from. Don't even think about doing that, Obi. Obi, how dare you? You move the thing out the mat. I must put it back where you came from, Obi. That the thing. Yeah. Obi, I must put the thing back where he came from. Don't you dare move that again, otherwise I just said to you, how dare you, you move that thing. I must put that thing back where it came from. I will put it here, okay? Where's Obi gone? Obi, where are you? There you are, Obi. I've been looking for you over here. You went that way. dee, dee, dee. If only I love it. Come on, Obby. Go that way. Go here, Obby. Come on, you can do better than that. Shoo, scram. You belong down here, okay? Okay. Okay. Come on, Obby. Go that way before the video ends it. Come on. Obby, I want you to go inside the cage before the video ends. Good boy, Obby. Good boy, Obby. Good boy, good boy. You're a little boy. You're a little boy. Oh God. Okay. Okay, people. Thank you to watching a nice long lobby video about I just said to the bunny rabbit Obby garden. Happy bonfire night, bunny rabbit Obby garden on bonfire night and guy folk night and fireworks night. Okay, I want you to make sure to understand everything I said in the video, and please get it in your mind, okay? Goodbye, people on YouTube. Thank you for watching a nice long video. Goodbye. So long. Farewell. Kisses. Goodbye. Bye, people. Bye, people.